All right, let's speak to another management, Shilpi Cables. They've come out with their numbers. Their PAT has gone up significantly, 62.4 crore versus 55 crore last year, and 1128 crores in sales versus about 1010 crores last year. And EBIT has also gone up from 83 crores to about 99 crores there. So a 12% gain, almost a 13% movement in profit after tax and a 12% movement in sales. The Manish Bhatt, CEO of Shilpi Cable, joins me on the phone line. Thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Bhatt. Which segment, you are in several segments, which segment has done the best?
Well, all the segments are performing well for us. The focus has been that we grow in B2B with technology-led products while go very aggressive on B2C growth. I think we are on that route, and that's how the results are showing the performance.
All right. In terms of B2B, you are one of the, if I remember correctly, you do a lot of work with telecom companies, right? In telecom towers. I remember speaking to you last month sometime, and you were saying that within telecom towers might not be expanding, but the cables are being added. So, more demand from telecom this time?
No, I think it continues, because of this new rollout, because of 3G, 4G technology, and also because of that call drop, there is this additional capex which is going on there. So I think we continue to keep getting orders from the telecom operators. Our big foray in telecom has been the antenna, where we are going through the process of approval, etc. Actually, the gestation period in all these technology-led products are a little higher. With the frequency auctions, around the corner, I think everybody will decide on their future strategy on antenna after that.
Only after the bidding is over.
Yeah, so I think we'll have a little bit of gestation period to then develop those kind of antennas and go for that.
You were looking to bid for some orders in Southeast Asia also?
Yeah, so we continue to do business, but that is for the IBS, in-building coverage area, which we are doing business there.
Is there any visibility in terms of orders already, or will one have to wait for that entire process to go through?
That actually depends entirely on the operator when they are going for that rollout. They haven't yet released the fund for the rollout.
Okay. And in terms of the B2C, which is I think the brand is Safe, right? How is that doing?
So as we know that we have first gone and expanded to almost 18 states. Now our focus is to get higher penetration in each of the states which we have been. So we are now trying to cover nearby places and more towns and cities. That progress continues very well. On top of it, we have now 2 more products to deal with, which is your modular switches and MCBs. MCBs have started moving. I think the modular switches, there's a huge competition and it will take some more time. But we are moving forward. So we have our plate full, and we continue to do and increase our business there.
And are these still in gestation period, the modular switches and the other business that you were talking about? Is Safe now making money? Is it making money in terms of the bottom line?
Yes, we are making, as the P&L is showing, we are making a PAT of, in our domestic operation, of almost 3.3%. Yes, today we have spent more on sales team and marketing, because our volume is not to that extent. And as we grow, the economies of scales will come in, and we expect higher margins to come.
All right. Just want to ask one question in terms of your current debt situation. What are you doing about that?
So we have a limit of around 975 crores in our domestic and around 220 crore overseas. Total of 1195, which is around 70% utilized. Because part of it is non-fund based, and that is used as and when is required. of course, our objective is to so the businesses which we are in has a an inventory level and the outstanding level, and which is market determined, and we'll have to work. So as we grow, our working capital requirement will grow, and partly it will be funded through our internal accrual and partly through the funding from outside.
All right, Mr. Bhatt, thank you so much for joining us. Hope to speak to you soon. The markets have suddenly collapsed a little bit. Just take a look at what has happened. 0.5% down on the Nifty, 86.26 right now.